It seemed so funny when I was younger. Now, not so much. I always knew this day was coming. I just didn't expect it'll come so soon. For my father, it started in his late 20s. For his father, in his 30s. For me, mid-20s. There's nothing I can do about it. My hair keeps getting thinner. The patches are way more visible now. A sign of the times. A constant reminder. I'm not growing any younger. Probably gotta get married soon. Gotta give mama some grandkids. Someone please love me. But I carry on my shoulders my balding head, my badge of honor. Proof I've had more than just a few Christmases. I'll miss my youthful hair and all the ways I decorated, celebrated it. All I can do now is watch as I turn into my father and my grandfather, an old man. Oh God, I'm finally balding.